Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to enable dark mode on Roblox account. Just follow my all steps without skipping. First of all, click on Roblox application. Now it is light mode. Click on three dot, scroll down. Now click on settings. Now click on device preferences. Click on light. Click on dark. Viewers, if you think that this video helpful, just subscribe to my channel.